Hello and welcome to this video on insertion sort. In this video we will talk about what insertion sort is, how it works, and explain some examples of the insertion sort. Basically, insertion sort is a sorting algorithm is used to sort the element. Suppose we have these elements like 4 2 7 1 3. Using this algorithm insertion sort, we have to sort these elements. After using insertion sort, this element looks like this, like 1 2 3 4 and 7. Okay, so how we can solve this problem using insertion sort? So insertion sort said that it's just like picking a card. Okay, picking a card, just I am here, pick a card 4. Okay, picking a card 4. What it said that pick a card 4 and place its correct position. Suppose it is a single card, so let's assume it is a sorted. Okay, it is a sorted and its place is correct. Okay, its place is correct. Now take the second card. Now I am taking the 2. I am taking the here card 2. So first of all we have to check with the previous card, with the 4 card or 4, whether 2 is greater or smaller than 4. If 2 is smaller, then card 2 will go on left side. If smaller, okay. If card is greater than 4, then it will go right side. If greater, okay. So check 2 is greater or smaller. Yeah, it is smaller. Then place it at the left side of the 4. Okay, now check for 7. Check for 7. Okay, check for 7 with 4. 7 is greater or smaller? Yeah, 7 is greater. 7 is greater. 7 is greater, so it will go to the left, right side. Sorry. So place it at the right side. Now check for 1 with 4, whether 1 is smaller or greater. Yeah, it is a smaller. Then go at the left side. Now we found 2 is here. Now we will check with the 2, whether 2 is greater with 1 or smaller than 1. Yeah, it is greater than 1. It means 1 will place at the left side of the 2. So 1 is placed at the left side of the 2. Now we pick the third card 3. Now check with it. Check with 4. Now check with 4. 3 is smaller than 4. Yeah, it is smaller than 4. Then it will go to the left side. Now we found 2, but 3 is greater than 2. It means the 3 will place at the right side of the 2 and the left side of the 4. Means it is 3 will place in between the 2 or 2 and 4. So we place here. Okay, the 3. Our final arrangement look like this. If 1 is 1 here, 2 is after 1, now 3, now 4, and then 7. Look, this is sorted. So insertion sort said that we have to pick the card one by one and check whether check with the previous card, whether previous or the first card, whether it is greater or the smaller. If it is greater, then it will move to the left side or place to the left side of the first card, and if it is a greater, then it will be moved to the right side of the first card, just like here we have done with 1, 2 and 7. Okay, it will uh, helpful to understand when we work with the algorithm. So here I have an algorithm. We can grab the algorithm here. Let's grab the algorithm. Now we can, okay, here we have an algorithm. Let's zoom it so you can better understand this. This slide is for only for display the algorithm, sorry, array. So the algorithm said that, first of all, let's take an array. First of all, let's take an array. We take the same array like 4, 2, S7, 1 and 3, and its indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, first of all uh, we have to take a pivot value. Suppose here v works as a pivot value. Pivot means the middle one actually. So v works as a pivot. Okay, v works as a pivot. Here we will take, actually we are looping through the array, but loop is start from 1 here, from here, because first one is already shorted, that is 4 is already shorted. So let's check. VRR means array I. Here I is equal to 1. Here I is equal to 1 for the first iteration. So array of 1, what will it give? That is 2. It will give 2. Now we take a second pointer, that is j, and its point to 1, that is here index here 1. So we take the second loop, we check while we iterate the loop while array of previous value, means this j minus 1, means j is 0, j is 1, sorry, j is 1 minus 1 is greater than v. Okay, and j is greater than equal to 1. This line what is saying? That array of j minus 1 means j is 2 and check with its previous value. So here the previous value is 4. 4 is greater than 2. Yeah, it is greater than 2. And j is greater than smaller than 1. What is j? J is now 1. Okay, 1, it is greater than equal to 1. Yeah, it is true. Means this loop will execute. If this loop will execute, then we go to this statement. Okay, what statement is saying? That this statement is saying that array of j, means we have to actually place the value of previous value to the previous value of this index. Okay, value of the previous index to the this one index, at one index, means array of 1. Here j is 1 actually, to array of 1 minus j minus 1 minus 1, that is 0. Means here we have to place 4. So our array look like this. 4 will here. Okay, now execute the next line. Here j minus minus means j will decrement by 1. J will decrement by 1. Now it is 1. Now if j is equal to j, this means j is equal to j minus 1. So j is 1 minus 1, that is 0. So now j is equal to 0. Now j become equal to 0. Now again let's check the loop. Now 0 minus 0 means minus 1 is greater than v. Array of minus 1 is greater than v, and j is greater than equal to 1. Here j is 0, so this condition is false. This condition is false. So this loop not execute for there. Okay. So we come to this loop. We come to here. So what it is saying? Now array of j is equal to v. What is the value of v? V is 2. V is 2. Okay. And j is 0. Here j is 0. So place array of a, array of 0, sorry, array of 0, place it 2. So here 2 comes here. Okay. Let's write it clean. At position 0 we will write 2. Okay. Now for the next iteration, I is equal to 2. Now array of 2, what is it? Yeah, it is 7. Now array of 2 is 7, and now j is equal to I, means j is I, it is 2, so j is 2. Okay. So j point here. Okay, j point here. Now array of 2 minus 1 is greater than, means array of 1 here. 7 is greater than sorry, 4 is greater than 7. No, false. So we do not run this loop. Now come to this place. Array of j. What is this? J value is 2. Place array of j, means array of 2, place the value at position 2. Sorry, what the value? V is 7. At position 2 place the 7, that is already there. Okay. Now go to the next iteration. Will be here. Now I will be 3. Array of 3. It's array of 3. Array of 3 means here will come 1. Array of 3 means it will 1. Let's remove some values from here. Okay. Now v become 1 and j is equal to 3. Now 3 minus 1, that is means 2. Array of 2 is greater than v. What is the v? Value of v? 1. Okay, means 7 is greater than 1. Yeah, it is greater than 1, and j is greater than equal to 1. Yeah, bilkul, j is 3, that is greater than equal to 1. Yeah, then swap, means swap, we cannot say that is swap. Just place the value at position j, the value of j minus 1, means we place the value of j minus 1, that is 7, we place here 7 here. Okay. Now let's again loop run again. Here now j will minus means the value of j become now 2. J become 2. Okay. Then here we check 2 minus 1, that is 1. 4 is greater than 4 is greater than 1. Yeah, it is greater than 1, means this loop will run again. Okay, so 4 will place here. Let's remove this, and 4 4 comes here. Okay, now again j minus minus, then j become 1, then again here 1 minus 1 0. This loop will run again because 1 minus 1 array of 0 2 2 is greater than 1. Yeah, of course, then this loop will run again. Now array of j means 2 will place here j minus 1. Okay, so let's place this. Here become 2, here become 2. Now j minus minus means 0, j becomes 0. So so this condition will false, means 0 j is not greater than equal to 1, so this loop will not run for this iteration. Now go to the this statement. So array of j, what is the array of j? Array of j is 0. Okay, what is the value of v? What is the value of v? Value of v is 1, so at 0 we place the 1. So here we place 1. Okay, we place 1. Now let's check it. Let's remove some of the number. Let's remove some of the numbers like this j, sorry, here 7, here, so that we can easily understand. Okay, so now j become 4, j become 4. Okay, j become 4 here, sorry, I become 4, so I array of 4, that is 3. Okay, here come 3. Now j is equal to I, means j is equal to I, means here I is 4, now j is also 4. Okay, now 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1, here j minus 1 means 4 minus 1 is greater than 4 minus 1, 7 is greater than 3. Yeah, of course it is greater than 3. Then this loop will run again. Now 7 will go here with this statement, follow this statement. Okay, 7 will go here. Now we remove the 3 and place the 7. Okay, now one more statement, j minus minus, this become 3. Now it will the loop will run again. 3 minus 1, that is 2, here is greater than 3. Yeah, of course it is greater than 3. Then again run this statement. If this statement will run, then this 4, this 7 will become 4. Okay, to here 4. Now check again, j minus minus, so 3 become 2. Okay, so 2 minus 1, that is 1. So here 2, array of 1, that is 2. 2 is greater than 3. No, this will not run again. Okay, let's come to the this statement. Now this statement run. Array of j, what is the array of j? That is 2. Array of j means 2. Array of 2, what is the value of v? Value of v is 3. At array of 2 means at position 2 we place the v. At position 2 we place the v. Here that is 3. So we got the, and I think we have made some mistake in the when we iterate for the 1. So here it will become 1. Okay, this will be 1. So we found that after we replacing at position 2 with 3, we got the sorted array. We got the sorted array. So we we collecting each element and checking with the all the elements. So iterating all the element, it's take the n square value, basically time complexity. Actually we are picking one element, that is n element, and it is checking with the other n elements. Okay, so for the words time complexity it will become big O of n square. Okay, so the conclusion is that the insertion sort is a simple yet effective algorithm for sorting a list of elements. It works by iterating building a sorted sublist from an unsorted part of the list. Okay, although not may the most efficient algorithm for the larger list. Okay, but it is still useful for the small or medium size list. Hope this video help you better understanding and for the insertion short. Thank you for the watching. Thank you very much.